So this is Sea Result, one of the best new products that was released last year. Sea Result is organic. You can put it on top of any nutrient feed program that you're doing. Basically, it's a one-time feed at 5 ml per litre in the first week of flower. And basically, this stuff will increase your yields. They say up to 20%, but you'll have to check that out yourself, of course. It can be used on top of anything. And basically, it's like a vehicle to move the elements in and out of your root zone. So it needs more magnesium, it's going to move it in. If it's had enough, it's going to move it out. How it does it, I'm not sure. Something to do with electrical ions. It's really intelligent, but actually it's getting great results, and it is literally one of the best products to come on the market last year. Check it out, see what you think, and then let us know, yeah?